Music Meet, as I mentioned, is about collaboration between musicians. I got a text off Harry on Monday and said, this thing that we're doing on Saturday, I've got some chords for a new song. Do you want to see if we can put something together and throw it together for Saturday? So we got together on Thursday, and Harry wasn't lying, he just had some chords. No words or nothing. So we threw some stuff together between Thursday night. I went home and did some stuff, and Harry went home and did some stuff. And we're going to play it to you now. Do we have a name? You're doing the first verse. We're going to work this out right in front of you, so it doesn't get any rawer than this. We had one run through in sound check. Yeah, if you can get it. Is that the name? Halloween. Alright. Here we go. How do you like it?
the music team.
We got one more? We got room for one more, yeah? Alright. Alright, I'm going to play the one off the CD. So this is a track from my first album. Did I mention that was for sale in the corner? This is what full-time musicians do. You're lucky I'm not on my knees just shouting down the mic, please give me money. Alright, so this is from my first record. This is called Be Free. Still, you're gonna soldier on and suppress all these things that get you down. Although it seems to start to be me, I can't buy on accounts and need to be free. Don't go weapon, it's going until wrong. It's going when I'm falling down, and it ain't too long. Get away to my mom, live my life that you deserve. Oh yeah. 'Cause I'm a dog and it's plain to see. I get high from the constant need to be free. Relationship fine, but I never slow down.